Viking range model VGR5364GCSLP repairs. Prepare delicious home meals with this Viking gas range. The Sure Spark ignition system saves you time, while the porcelain cooking surface is easy to maintain. This Viking gas range has a Vari simmer setting on all burners that allows heating modification, and the ProFlow convection baffle system lets you get even cooking results. Repairs. For the home, kitchen, and beyond, Viking manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Viking appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. The oven won't turn on. Your Viking oven won't heat up if it won't even turn on. Whether you have a gas or electric oven, the first step to troubleshoot an oven that won't turn on is to check the breaker box. A power surge, for example, may cause the circuit breaker switch to trip by moving it to the off position. When you check the switch that corresponds to your oven, make sure it's in the on position and also make sure that your oven is plugged into a 220 to 240 volt outlet to ensure it has an attic. The oven doesn't cook evenly. The bake and broil elements may not be conducting heat as they should. Turn on the broiler and see if the element at the top of your oven is glowing with an even red color. Turn off the broiler and set the oven to a bake setting. Check to see if the element at the bottom of your oven has a consistent red color. If you see any breaks in the red color from either element, the faulty element needs to be replaced. The oven door won't close. It may be time to replace the door hinge if the oven door doesn't close properly. You may also want to check and see if the oven racks are correctly installed. If you recently moved one of the racks to a different position in the oven to make room for a large roasting pan, for example, the rack may be resting incorrectly on the sidewalls and obstructing the oven won't self-clean. The self-clean cycle on a Viking oven cannot begin until the door is securely locked. If you're having trouble locking the door switch or the lock itself may be faulty. A burned wire or failed timer may also be the culprit. Light isn't working. An obvious and easy fix for a light not working in your Viking oven is simply that you need to replace a bad light bulb. Be sure to use an appliance bulb of proper wattage, according to the recommendation in your user manual. If that doesn't fix the problem, an oven technician will check some electrical issues, including the light switch, the tumbler switch, or the control board. Unless you're a certified electrician, calling in an expert is the safest way to diagnose and repair any electrical issues.